I'm a big fan of time blocking. That's something I've been doing at the start of my career. Huge thanks to my mentors who, made me habitual to this practice of time blocking. It creates, space for bigger strategic things during my day. And also, it's not something that my calendar is written in stone, that probably I am so rigid to fix or probably delete something out of it. So if my team needs me, I want to be there. For me, it's more about uh, managing the presence and to be there at the right time, because that's what matters. So to answer that, the classic mistake is thinking that engagement is all about planning fun Fridays or probably pizza Fridays or probably quarterly, team meetings or fun outings for your team. Uh, and to be, fun sure, that doesn't move the needle. The real engagement happens, when the people in your organization, they feel listened to and valued every single day. So for me, the point of celebrating small wins is as equal as celebrating those big ones, because that's what genuinely keeps people motivated and to turn up to their tasks, on a day to day basis. Yeah. So for me, the future of rewards is something that anticipates an individual, right? So it's all about, like, imagine imagine you knew, I mean, the AI tool knew or was able to predict something which you really needed as a recognition or a reward, right? So what AI can help is that, in spotting the patterns and nudging us to recognize people, which feels way more personal, way more timed, and way more authentic, right? Rather than just copy pasting what earlier, people had to do, like evolving and, taking it from an administrative set of things to a more timed and, more personalized experience. So that's one of my favorite questions to answer for. Uh, right. I would say AI is brilliant at heavy lifting, but it doesn't do empathy. Uh, for me, I use AI uh, heavily, to cut around noise happening around me so that I can focus on things which only humans can do. That's listening better, connecting better, and, being genuinely present for your team and for your peers around, right? So it's about letting tech handle the admin part, while I focus more on people management, talking more to people, networking, and, utilizing things for that thing, to drive better results in my day to day work. So I agree here. I mean, the future is convergence, right? Instead of rewards, recognitions, and well-being, which were earlier put into like separate boxes, it makes more sense now them being flowing together into one intelligent, seamless experience, uh, right? Because a fully integrated system, or probably with the usage of AI, it not just help us to recognize people, but also understand uh, the nudges and everything beforehand, and also giving that rewards and recognition segment a more timed, authentic, and very very lasting feel. So yeah, that's my take on that.